Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, not the assistant obviously. Let's enter the settings and here we have to find security. Now let's tap on advanced and right under it we've got encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials from your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.